The AIMIM has gone the Muslim quota route now with regard to the election mentions. Owaisi has now made the big charge of Muslim reservation at the BJP. Asaduddin Owaisi, AIMIM's leader, has said Bharatiya Janata Party will end the Muslim quota once it returns to the power in the government. Bharatiya Janata Party will end the 4% Muslim quota in education, and if they bring in the Uniform Civil Code, it will end Muslim marriage law as well. So directly reaching out and catering to the Muslim community as the voters, Owaisi has said, remember that BJP will end the Muslim quota in education, and it will also then end the Muslim marriage law. Listen into what Owaisi said.
अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल करिए अपनी जमात की कामयाबी के लिए। बीजेपी अगर खुदा ना खास्ता दोबारा बरसर इख्तिदार आती है तो आपका यानी मुस्लिम अक़लियत का रिजर्वेशन खत्म करेगी। रिजर्वेशन खत्म होगा तो जो गवर्नमेंट के मेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग MBA MCA कॉलेजेस में जो एडमिशन मिलता 4% का खत्म करेगी। नौकरियां मिलती है कांस्टेबल की खत्म हो जाएंगी।
Abdul Bashir joining me for the latest on this morning. Abdul, good morning. Where did Asaduddin Owaisi made this comment? And clearly it is something that the BJP will most likely jump on. This has been, the Muslim quota issue has been the big controversy. But I think it's in reference to Karnataka more than perhaps Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, isn't it? What are you picking up on? Why did he say what he did?
Well, AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who is on his election campaign in Hyderabad, while addressing a public gathering in Hyderabad's old city, AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi had lashed out at the BJP, which had announced that they will abolish the 4% Muslim reservation, which is cited to be unconstitutional according to them, if BJP is voted to power. So time and again he had been mentioning this. If BJP comes to power, Uniform Civil Code will be implemented, 4% reservation that is there for Muslims, be it in jobs and education, will be abolished, and there will be no chance. There will be no chance for the Muslims to secure jobs in the reservation quota or secure education in the reservation quota. Along with that, he went on to say that the population of Muslims is 14% in the country, and there is not even 4.5% of their representation.
Okay.
Here, it lashed out at the BJP and Congress both as well, stating that in Maharashtra there are 48 Lok Sabha seats in which Congress or Uddhav Thackeray or Sharad Pawar has not given a single ticket to the Muslim candidate. Apart from that, he went on to say that the Congress had not given seats in Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh as well, where the representation of Muslims is there. And now this time, if he has asked people to come out and vote for their right, and later on do not complain about it. And also he went on to say that BJP's Madhavi Lata, indirectly pointing out at BJP's Madhavi Lata, he told that they have openly pointing out at a masjid. And this is what is going on. And if you don't even understand this, then what is the best thing that would help you understand what is going on in the country or in the city of Hyderabad? It asks people to come out and vote and support his party, that is Jamaat's AIMIM party, in the coming polls.
So clearly this, the Muslim quota, the UCC, all has been a mention, and now Owaisi has directly made a charge at the BJP that once they come, they'll work against the Muslim community. They will end the Muslim marriage law via the Uniform Civil Code, and they will also end the 4% Muslim quota in education. Listen it again to what Asaduddin Owaisi said. This was in Hyderabad.
अपने वोट का इस्तेमाल करिए अपनी जमात की कामयाबी के लिए। बीजेपी अगर खुदा ना खास्ता दोबारा बरसर इख्तिदार आती है तो आपका यानी मुस्लिम अक़लियत का रिजर्वेशन खत्म करेगी। रिजर्वेशन खत्म होगा तो जो गवर्नमेंट के मेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग MBA MCA कॉलेजेस में जो एडमिशन मिलता 4% का खत्म करेगी। नौकरियां मिलती है कांस्टेबल की खत्म हो जाएंगी।
So also, what was Owaisi referring to? Listen in now to what Prime Minister Modi had also said when there was a mention of the Muslim quota, there was a mention of the Uniform Civil Code. Here's what Prime Minister Modi had said.
कर्नाटका में कांग्रेस ने संविधान बदलने, SC, ST, OBC का हक छीनने का अभियान शुरू किया है। हमारा संविधान धर्म के आधार पर रिजर्वेशन की बात नकारता है, नहीं स्वीकारता है। लेकिन कर्नाटका की सरकार ने ओबीसी रिजर्वेशन का हिस्सा मुस्लिमों को दे दिया है। ये इतने से भी नहीं मानेंगे, इन्होंने पहले भी अपने मैनिफेस्टो में धर्म के आधार पर रिजर्वेशन देने के लिए कानून बनाने की बात कही।